Shoulder arthroplasty is performed more and more frequently. Now, I perform one of the largest numbers in the country. One of the questions often raised is, Doctor, can I have a steroid injection? Or I've had a steroid injection. How soon can the shoulder replacement be done? So the concern is whether the use of steroid injection increases the risk of infection, and also whether it makes any difference to the outcome after a shoulder replacement. So this study, published in 2023, had about equal number of patients in two groups. 134 received corticosteroids injection within the 12 months before the surgery, and just under 100 did not receive any steroid injection. Followed patients for a minimum of 2 years, and this study included anatomic as well as reverse shoulder replacement, and they used number of patient-rated outcome measures. It was quite a surprising result to see that the injections did not compromise any post-operative outcome measures. In fact, the scores were better in the injection group in two of the outcome measures, especially true for patients who underwent reverse shoulder arthroplasty. There was no difference in the infection in the two groups, less than 2% infection in both the groups. Takeaway message is judicious use of steroid is beneficial. What do I do in my practice? It's obviously a shared decision-making process. Steroid injection is a good option to start with, and I personally avoid any replacement within 3 months of having had a steroid injection. Although this study did not highlight what was the minimum time from the steroid injection to the surgery. I offer rapid access clinics to patients in the Kent and the London area, and about 2/3 to 3/4 of my patients are performed as a day case. That means the patient can go home to their own bed in the evening. If you need more information, you know the ways to contact me. Thank you.